Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm Everton Braga from Cura Web Channel and welcome to another class of our React course. This class we're gonna learn about props. So let's get started. I have here my server running, okay? I just added in my card a title. So here I have a title. And what is props? Props is the way we pass data from parent to child. For example, the main is the parent of the card. Okay, the card is inside the main, right? So we'll pass some data from the main to the card. So let's learn how we do this. Uh, First of all, analyzing our card here, we have static data. We have title, gender, bars, and things like that. I'd like to make it dynamic. How could I do that? Um, Here inside the parameter of card, I will open and close curly braces, and then I will write some things in order to uh, change some things inside these JSX structures. So I will write title, gender, height, and mass. Title, gender, height, and mass. Okay. Uh, I have these properties as parameters of my class, of my component card. Okay, so instead of title, I will render now title. Here I will render gender. Oops, gender. Here height, and here mass. Okay, so inside the main, we can see the card tag, the instance of card without any kind of data here. Okay, so if we save and check, nothing happens. Just the title. Um, just the title. Now we don't have title, okay, because I changed the static text for the with the component, no, with the parameter title. So let's populate this. uh, I have here card, okay, card. So inside card, inside this instance of card specifically, I will put some data. Title, uh, uh, card title, for example, it's a string, and for gender, I will write male. For height, I will put inside curly braces a number like 180, for example, and for mass, I will put 80. Okay, and if I save and check, now I have rendered from that instance the data I've been passed. Okay, I have card title, mail, the height, and the mass. Okay, so it's a little introduction about props. It's very useful to make our application dynamic, and we will use a lot during the course. And that's it. It's one of the most popular concepts about React. I hope you like. If you like, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. Okay? See you in the next lesson, and goodbye.